Hi guys, looking for a clean and simple way to connect your camera or laptop to a TV or projector without any wires? This wireless HDMI kit makes it super easy. It works with most devices that have an HDMI port: TVs, laptops, Blu-ray players, game connectors, and even professional cameras. You just plug it, the transmitter and receiver, and you're ready to go. No software needed anywhere. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're doing a presentation at work, staging and live event, or setting up an outdoor movie night. This kit is also designed especially for cameras. It comes with screw houses for easy mounting and support power banks and NPF batteries, so you can shoot wireless for hours. The signal is strong and stable. Thanks for dual antennas and high-speed transmission. You can stream full HD, 1080p up to 5,000 meters at about 1640 feet in open areas. Plus, it supports 4K deconnecting for even sharp imaging. The sounds and pictures stay clean and smooth with very low delay, great for live supports or gaming. And yes, it's plug and play. Just connect, it works, no mess, no worries, and no stress.